If you don't prep right, things can turn out wrong. But not with the revolutionary Sifter and Scale attachment from KitchenAid, the all-in-one baking tool that accurately measures, thoroughly sifts, and automatically adds ingredients directly to your mixer bowl in just one step. Precise measurements are a critical part of success, so our digital scale measures ingredients by weight for a greater level of precision, meaning baked goods turn out the way they should. It's easy to be a better baker. And with the KitchenAid Sifter and Scale attachment, it's easy to get fluffy, consistent results. The Sifter and Scale attachment's included chute neatly funnels weighed and sifted ingredients into the mixer bowl and can swivel to funnel into a separate container without spilling. The sifter can also be removed for ingredients that don't need to be sifted, like chocolate chips. Many parts of the Sifter and Scale attachment are dishwasher safe, and a conveniently included storage case keeps all your Sifter and Scale parts in one place for quick and easy access. Visit the recipes section of our website today for fresh ideas on how you can transform your stand mixer into the culinary center of your kitchen. Explore more today at KitchenAid.com.